Tech is cool because you talk to a lot of people all
Mhm.
over the spectrum of skill set, where you have
Mhm.
people with like no technical experience, and all of their interviews are about personality, communication, and
100%.
experience. But then you can like also have the extreme where it's like your super technical stuff, where it's like, hey, like they may be like the most genius person in the world, but you should probably also do a little bit of like, is this going to be a good
Fit.
personality fit? And they
Yeah.
don't. I Solution engineering and product management are nice because I feel like they keep an eye on both sides of the
Hmm.
like I guess the spectrum there, the soft skills and the technical skills. Um and that's something that like I do think has served me well personally, because my whole thing is like I think my kind of selling point as an employee is I'm not going to be the best pure public speaker in the world. I'm not going to be the deepest, smartest technical person, but I want to
Hmm.
find like a unique combination of skills that allows me to present myself as unique